Hello everyone, I'm going to talk about a great trading opportunity for Block Incorporation, ticker SQ, an American company, trading in the New York Stock Exchange. So this is, first of all, a long-term type of analysis and prediction. We've been expecting SQ, Block Inc. Corporation, to drop all the way down there from the top for a long time. These drops started in December 2021, and it was in back in November, June 2022, where that imbalance had gained control. This is the strongest imbalance ever for SQ, okay, and followed by this one, which is a supply level sitting at around $239 per share. This one is sitting at $65 per share. So since this is a very strong imbalance, look at the strength of the move. Very large candlestick bodies, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it didn't even think about retracing to the level here. Then it printed another very large candlestick in November 2020. Maybe now you are thinking, why is this guy talking about 2020-21? How can this be predicted? I mean, how can you predict this? Well, you can see, as you will see in dozens of videos shared on my YouTube channel. And if you are a member of Self Online Trading Academy, you will see not dozens, but thousands of them. Okay, this is what usually happens. So those are the facts, and the videos are there to testify about all this. Okay, so, but in this particular occasion, now we have this imbalance again control, like I said, in the middle of 2022, and then it printed a low, and then another low, and you could say, okay, it could print another low, and that could happen, okay? So the thing is that this is a long-term type of position. We are expecting SQ to rally all the way up to $239 per share. That means that from the current position right now, the stock is sitting at trading at $67 per share. It means that there is room for price to rally 256%. That's insane. That's a lot. Okay. So, but we've got a problem here. And the problem that we have here right now is that we've got a strong impulse that gain control over there. So buying here is not a good idea, because we're expecting price to drop here all the way down there, and from there probably will start to react again. Okay, if we take a look at the weekly time frame, we're going to see a weekly supply level that took control here. This is a weekly supply level. Okay, so on this weekly supply level, price will rally. Look at this move. Started to rally from there, and then from there, and then it rallied like how much is it? From here to there, like 87%. That's a lot. Okay, it all started here. So now it hits that supply level. As you can see here, it creates that candlestick, that doji, which is called, I believe, correct me if I'm wrong, that should be like the dragonfly doji, I think. The gravestone doji, I think it's like the cross at the top, and that's why it's called gravestone. Okay, and the dragon and this dragonfly, I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter. Okay, the thing is that this is candlestick patterns. I mean, it is, the candlestick patterns are really, really great. Okay, it can give us a lot of information about the markets, but it needs a context. Okay? It needs something. It just, this little candlestick gravestone doji happening here gives us no information. Because when you look to the left, there's nothing. It's just a void. But when these candlesticks happen at supply levels, or if you're using support resistance, imagine this was a resistance level. So, and after a very strong rally, then this is what we're expecting. So buying right now without, or expecting price to drop farther, even though we have a long-term type of analysis, as I said before, when analyzing the monthly time frame, we're expecting this. Okay, but even though we're expecting that, right now is not the moment to add to our positions. Okay, so hopefully, if Okay, I mean, the wisest thing to do is wait for price to drop on there before going long again, or wait for this high to be broken. If these highs are broken, I mean, it's like SQ is going to be unstoppable. Okay, but if you look at the smaller time frame, you are not going to see anything at all. You're just going to see like price dropped, lower low, lower low, lower low, and then now it's reversing and now it's dropping. But you have no idea. And I was going to say something else. Okay. But if you have no idea and you are unaware that this is a supply level and you are unaware that this is a demand level, then you are in trouble, because you are probably going to be buying or selling into obstacles, and you don't want any obstacles, okay, against your positions, okay, or before adding to your portfolio or adding new positions to your existing positions. Okay, so let's see what happens with SQ. Okay, putting everything together takes time, but being aware of the bigger time frames will help you a lot to make a trade decision. A lot, incredibly. Okay, it's going to help you so much. So have a great day.